Thinking of transitioning from teaching to a new career? Let's show you how to highlight your transferable skills in your cover letter. Your teaching experience equips you with valuable skills like leadership, organization, and adaptability. Skills every employer needs. Start by showcasing how you've led a classroom or project. Employers value strong leadership and initiative. Next, emphasize your planning and organizational skills. For example, managing lesson plans and deadlines proves you can handle complex tasks. Don't forget to highlight your adaptability. Teachers thrive under pressure. Share examples of how you've overcome challenges and stayed resourceful. Ready to get started on your cover letter? Use Resume Now's cover letter generator to create a standout application that showcases how transferable your teaching skills are. Your teaching experience is your greatest asset. Land your next role by highlighting your transferable skills with Resume Now.